on right now in AI, and I am Ismail. So I am covering that for you, and I am learning about AI for a month. So I recently I lose a job, and I'm trying to cope up with it. And for 1 month, when year started 2025, I started learning about it, and yeah. So I'm gonna record what I am doing. So yeah, so this is the document I have prepared for myself. So for some time I'm learning AI, but the one thing that I really know about it to understand what really going on is this process. Right now, everybody is creating their LLMs. Like the DeepSeek right now is doing really great. So how this process works? So first we collect the raw data. So whatever the raw data is there in the database that we collect, and then we clean the data, then we analyze it, and we interpret the result. So it is how, as a human, we use our brain. So first we see something, let's say image, and we think, let's say if it is a whiteboard, and we see it like this. Okay, I want to see this. So particular, let's say if there is five chocolates and you want to eat particular thing. So that is the particular data. That's how you clean the data. Then you analyze it. Okay, this is my favorite chocolate, and I want to eat it. And the last is interpret the results. Okay, I got this particular chocolate. So this is how really LLM is trained, and this is what the machine learning is about. And if I go further, so right now agents are the main topic, and I'm also covering a video on this because I also want to know what agent is. And doing so much, watching videos about agent and so much. One thing I know that there is real hype around it. And one thing is nobody is talking about there is no code agents. That is, we can say workflows that as a software developer, I know how coders do create workflows using this, different APIs of OpenAI model, or we can say any other model, let's say Claude or any other model to technically design a workflow. That is how right now agents are working. Many other ways, let's say no code also. So there are flashy AI tools right now that you can use. I'm also going to show you one flashy AI tool. I'm a little bit hypocrite, but these AI tools really work great. And I also love that how it's these AI tools helps us to know how we can say how the automation really works, and which are the real AI agents. And now I'm going to show you the real power. So you waited until now, just wait for a minute. So I'm going to use n8n to create automation workflow, and I'm going to simply do um, create one, let's say automation from Instagram, and how I can do fetch emails from Instagram. Just a simple automation. I'm not going too much depth into the workflow. So I have two workflows here, and right now I have 11 days left. So I'm gonna create more and more videos. So please subscribe. So I will go to create workflow. Hmm. So I'm going to show you how really automation works and how agent, what is agent actually. So if you want to know about agent, I will just simply say to you that agents are one that we can say that workflows, and or we can see any tools that we use to create an agent. Agents are just like humans that we gives the memory. So first I will show you how here you can create. So I'm going to use Telegram to fetch my emails. So I will let me explain more about agent when we create the workflow. So so I want to get the message. So on message, I am using the trigger, and there is Telegram on. How you can create Telegram and how you can connect here. Let me show you. So I'm going to use Telegram. Yeah. So once you come on the Telegram, you need to search bot father or mark it out. This is the real bot father. And once you open it, you can say hi or you want to create a new bot. So just click here in new bot. So when you write new bot, you just press enter. Right now my internet is slow. Okay. So when you search on the bot power, you need to write the new bot. And all right, what is the name of the new bot? I will say email receive bot good new good now choose the username for the bot. I will choose mm, email bot already taken. So I'll say email yes bot email underscore y capital underscore or you can say just directly bot. Okay, so right now you can see that my bot is created, but we need this token. We're gonna use this token to create a credential. So click on the credential, put your token here and save it. So once you save the credential, our bot is connected to n8n and we can directly use now our Instagram bot to get our messages. Now, if I go and test this step, uh, I can go here and click on here, click here. So this is my uh, bot that I created. I just start and I will say yes. So node executed and I found one item. Okay. So now I'm just gonna close it. So it's worked fine. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click here, test workflow. I need to receive here. I want to receive no thanks first. So what I want is I just want to mm, receive the message. So let me just add some new here. I want a message. So I want to use edit. Edit field also I can use or I can directly show you how agent works. So let's go with the agent. So this is the AI agent. Okay. So this is the AI agent. On here, what I get from the uh, trigger that trigger from the message that I got. And now here is my message. I can show you what I written is written yes. So here you can see I have written yes and here it comes yes. So what I want to do is this is the prompt of the user he is taking here. So I want to change it connected to this chat trigger. I want to use define below and I'm directly going to use this message that is come from the um, Telegram. And now what I'm going to do is uh, this is my AI agent. Now AI agent has three things. Now I'm going to explain it what this AI agent is. Now this is the chat method, and I'm going to use OpenAI. You can use any chat model do you want, or whatever chat model do you want. I have one account already connected. So in this, you just need to add a API key. If you don't know how to add a API key, let me show you. So you can go to open platform.openai/API key. You can go here and you need to log in and you need to create. Make sure that you have um, you know payment method because if you don't have any payment method, you are not able to create any API key. You need to generate here. Now once you come home, you add API key and save it. After that, you get this OpenAI account here. So that about it. So once you create it, now if you execute the previous node, so yeah, hello, how I can assist you today. So this is the message which I've got. And what I'm going to do is So this both chat model and our Instagram is connected. Now this is the memory. Now what memory is? If I say that, um, let me go this side. So this is the AI agent. This is my chat model. And this is the Telegram trigger that we have created that is connected to a bot. So now, if I connect to a database, any database, for let's say any AI tool, right now, I don't know, maybe many different tools now we can use for a memory. Memory is like the memory that we have that we can store our, whatever the conversations are there. But let me use the tool. So I'm going to use email, Gmail tool use. I'm going to use Gmail tool, and I already have an account, Google account. If you click here, you can just directly sign in here, and whatever your Google account is directly get connected. So yeah, keep editing, or I need to close. So once you do that, you are able to use your Google account to send or receive message. So what I'm going to do is there is a operation part, and I want to receive the message, and there is a limit 50. It's fine. I want that limit. And if I execute the previous node, okay, it is executed. So everything right now is working fine. But what I'm going to do is I have one tool to get all messages. And now I'm going to go to my email bot and I'm going to say fetch my last email. And if I test the workflow, see, he used my tool to fetch the information. And if I click here, wait, let's just complete. Okay. One item is received over here. Let me receive it. Let me use Telegram again to just receive the message. So send a text event that we gonna action we gonna use send receive a text. So your last email he already sent me this. So I'm gonna put text here. So you can just drag and drop. You can use n8n, and this is the chat ID. So whatever here written you already got here. So here field are there. You can fetch it from here. If you don't, you can directly have a assistant over here. If any error, you can directly chat with the assistant. Now, if I gonna test the chat, and if I test this chat, and I got my last email that your last 100 email is as follow. Info at screen recorder that right now I am using. So I got this mail, and this is how a general automation works. So this is the tool I created. You can create multiple tools here. This is the model I am using right now, Chat GPT model, OpenAI. You can use any, you can use Anthropic, you can use DeepSeek also. So I'm going to make a video, another video on DeepSeek, so you can subscribe how you connect the DeepSeek with here and use multiple things. So thank you for watching this video, and I will create more videos about it. So thank you.